Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have HOTWAV W11 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. When you try search your game or application but you don't have it there, to fix it we must go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store and tap on our photo on the right corner. There are Settings, Family and Parental Control. As you can see, now we have PG3 2 visible game or application. As Mobile Legends games, we need more than PG3. To change it, we press there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control, and we can easily change it from PG3 to PG16, maybe config by Godit and save. We can also turn off all our parental control and go back to the main menu and try search Mobile Legends games, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, bye!